Okay guys, what's up? We will now unpack or unbox this mini Bluetooth speaker that we got from Shopee. Yung brand TWS, if I'm not mistaken. Mini Bluetooth speaker Macaron TWS. We'll post the shop link sa description. But now, we'll try to unpack this one. Let's see if it's good. Okay. As you remember, nag-unbox din tayo last time, which is yung Splendor speaker. At least na magkakaroon tayo ng comparison. Pagdating sa sound quality, kung okay ba talaga. So, sobrang kapal ng bubble wrap. And, what's this? Free?
What?
It's a free tempered glass? I don't know. Pero may palibre yung ano. We did not order that one,
No.
right? So, we did not order this. It's just a freebie. So, we're not sure what's this for. Parang, cord sabitan.
Wow! Thank you.
Not bad. Ididikit mo siya. Meron siyang adhesive keme sa likod. Pero I think it's for
Hindi, pero pwede mo
iPhone
siya
X.
Tabletop cable.
Kasi may unit na nakalagay sa harap which is iPhone X. Pero at least may pa freebie si seller. Not bad. Again, bubble wrap. Sobrang kapal. Sobrang gaang na itong speaker na to. Actually, nung dumating yung parcel, kala mo walang laman. Hopefully meron. Meron naman siguro. Hey! Wow. That's cute. So, I think bukod sa blue, green, pink, at yellow, may iba pa siyang kulay. Dun sa shop, kung di ako nagkakamali. Wireless speaker. You can see some features here on the side. Small body, big voice. Oh, you can do phone call. Simple one, maybe it's click typo. Button use. Ito, Inpods Littlefun TWS. And yeah, same features. Yellow. What did we order ba? Yellow. So, here are some descriptions. Siguro features. Maybe you want to go through this. Details lang siguro ng product. Okay, now let's check the actual item. Let's open the box. It's nice, oh. Packaging wise, yung box maganda, magkakabalot, maganda. Wala yung plastic na, oh. Pero, so small. Later, we'll have a size comparison.
Foam.
Oh, yan, oh, may foam. Ay, ang galing, ah. So, hindi masyado maalog yung box. So, ito yung cord. Color white and parang, anong tawag dito? Strap. Manual. Yan yung available colors. Depends on the availability, pero we chose yellow kasi mukhang fun. Oh, cute, eh, na. So, these are the colors that you can choose from. Alright, let's try. See, open muna natin to. Okay, so manual, English, not bad. By the way, this product came from China, so we did disinfect already the packaging.
It's so small.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Put it in your palm. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. Ang liit, oh. Cute, ah. So, asan yung power switch? There you go.
Ito
LED indicator. And then, ito yung port. So, basic na basic, no? Automatic na pag on siguro, Bluetooth, no? So, ayun yung lalagyan nung strap. Yan. Wow, very basic. Very small, but hopefully, may nangunguha ang bata. Hopefully, mag-function na maayos. So, check natin kung may factory charge.
Basahin natin yung manual kung paano siya buksan.
Function description. Startup. Long press the switch button to start up for 3 seconds and the blue light of the work indicator flashes quickly. Let's try. Soft touch. There you go.
Oh.
You gotta be kidding me. That was very nice. That was very nice. Boses pa lang, no?
Ang lakas. Nagva-vibrate. Nagulat ako.
Next,
Wait,
how to pair.
Turn on phone's wireless function and search for the wireless name Littlefun.
Okay, so we heard the sound, yung pagka-switch. We'll try to pair the device. So what we're using right now is Xiaomi Mi 3 old school. Para sa mga OG Xiaomi users. Tagal na ito sa amin. Okay. Ano dapat yung name ng ano?
Littlefun.
Littlefun. There you go.
Connected. What? Nagugulat ako kasi nagbabibrate siya sa kamay ko.
Connected. Let's check the sound. Syempre, Unheard Truth. Please like and subscribe to Unheard Truth.
Hawakan mo.
Can you check the ano?
We are all living in a perilous time. Standing on the light is a heinous crime. The power of deceit reigns all over the land, and nobody cares to give a helping hand. Weary souls are screaming out in pain. The blinded heart.
Okay, so we had to pause the music because we had to process it because we did not expect. Quality-wise, syempre, yung tunog, hindi yung parang mabigating speaker, no? Pero, ang liit nito. Ang liit nito. And the price, magkano to? 238. Man, the last time that I gave a review dun sa Bluetooth speaker, ito, immediately I can say, this is, for me, it's a 5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, I was really not expecting na it would be that easy to use. It's as simple na on mo, connect mo yung phone mo, then play, no? It's really amazing. And the sound quality, not bad. Not bad. Para sa price, para sa price. It's really not bad. Try natin yung i-decrease yung volume. Not bad talaga.
Meron din siyang battery indicator. Ayan o.
There you go. Ayan o, may matagal pa oh. Matagal pa yung charge oh.
Sabi sa review, yung mga, kunwari nag-charge silang 3 hours nilang ginamit
Everyday?
tuloy-tuloy. Hindi,
3 hours
isang araw lang.
tuloy-tuloy.
Tuloy-tuloy. 70% pa rin yung battery mula sa full charge.
Not bad. Awesome. So, I can't help but compare dun sa una naming, kasi na-disappoint talaga kami dun eh. Sa una namin nabili, I think that was the Elliot. You can check also the video about the Elliot Bluetooth speaker. But this one, parang nabawi yung lungkot namin dun sa unang speaker na nabili namin. I-try ko nga idikit sa lapel ko. Try ko lang idikit sa lapel ko. Yan yung mid-volume ba yan? Try mo nga i-full blast yung volume.
Rains all over the land, and nobody cares to give a helping hand. Weary souls are screaming out in pain. The blinded hearts are.
Okay, so we tried to tawag dun. Okay, so we also checked the okay, so we also checked the distance kung paglalayuin yung device and the Bluetooth speaker kasi the last time yung Elliot at 1.5 meters nagkakaroon na siya ng interruption sa connection. At this one we tried 1.5, I think more than 1.5, and hindi pa rin nagkakaroon ng problema sa connection. Sound quality, I think it's even better than the Elliot speaker kasi yung sa Elliot medyo basag talaga yung tunog. This one kahit papano okay naman, masasabi kong okay naman. Hindi siya yung as in solid quality, pero yung ina-expect mo sa isang Bluetooth speaker, I think na-surpass niya, no? Sobrang basic, ayun, no? Switch, charge, LED indicator, that's it. Connect your device, play, boom, you can enjoy. Again, we will post the link of the shop where we actually bought this one. It's around $200, 230. Kung hindi kami nagkakamali, nasa ganun yung presyo. And shipping, even though it's from China, it's very fast actually. I think it came here less than a week. Mabilis lang. And again, the packaging is nice. It's really nice.
Sophisticated.
Yeah.
Matte. Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Alright, thank you again for taking time to watch this video. I hope this helped you a lot and you had an idea about this mini Bluetooth speaker. We hope that you will like, subscribe, and share the video. Ka-ciao. God bless.